So here we have a counter that was tore out, and it didn't fit correctly, I guess, or there was issues that they didn't like. But regardless, it's Blue Explosion, a quartzite from Brazil. Really cool character to it. Very exotic. And I'm going to find a spot for it. It's got an interesting shape. It's got some rectangle and then some angles going on. Really like it. And these edges are already polished. I think that was what the issue was, is when it was polished, there's different densities within the stone. When you get that much character, there's bound to be different densities. And I think when it was being polished, some of it ground down easier than others, and therefore leaving the edge not perfectly straight or flat. And that is not what they wanted, I think. And it's got a little ripple to it, which I think is really cool, but you know, not everybody feels that way. I would have loved to have seen this leathered, but it is polished, and I'm not going to change it. Maybe someday I will explore taking a polish to a leather, but not on this. It'll be a much smaller piece if I try that. So we'll have to find a spot for this in our projects, and I am sure we will. Even down here, see how much different it is down here? Very cool. All these micro fissures during the formation 3 to 4 million years ago. Probably it shifted and then liquid came in and filled it, and who knows? It's a long time ago. Mother Nature really can create some really cool things. Okay, so Explosion Blue.